internet savvy. Let's see and understand more of their fascinating story.
Hey, hi everybody, I'm Satish Raj. By qualification, I'm a computer science engineer. Right now, I'm an emerald level in Amway business, passionately building our business.
Hi, I'm Akhila. I'm from Chennai. I've done my engineering in computer science. Right now, we are married for around 15 years. We have a daughter who's 10 years old.
We are from very humble background, from a town called Tiruthurai. It's near Tanjavur, 66 kilometers from Tanjavur, some 350 kilometers from Chennai. My dad and mom both are into farming. My dad used to work with government. He's a retired government employee, but he's into farming. Right after my schooling, I wanted to become a pilot. I wanted to travel the world, so I thought if I become a pilot, I can travel the world. Then I wanted to become a pilot. I couldn't continue that. I flew for 30-40 hours, but I couldn't continue that due to some financial struggle back then. Then I moved on to engineering. After my engineering, I got placed with SIFI Technologies. The person who interviewed me later became my sponsor. He was the one who gave me this opportunity. Then a couple of years I was with SIFI, then Microsoft partner company, then Adobe partner. I used to do business development for Adobe software for Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. But I always don't want to be an employee forever. I cannot take orders. I cannot sit in one place and do the work. I always wanted to get out of this 9 to 5 race. I wanted to be my own boss. I wanted to travel the world. And one more thing is I want to spend quality time with my family.
So I was into a real good job, and I had an on-site opportunity. I was working in the US, and when I was working there is when I realized that family time was important to me. You know, I really missed my family here in India. So I thought of things that could bring me back to my country. And also by then, you know, we had a home, so we bought a home. The home was ours, but it was, you know, on a loan with a bank. So that was totally bothering me about the financial future of the family.
I was in the middle where I didn't study well, and I also didn't have any investment to do something on my own. And this business provided me a beautiful business opportunity. And a lot of my friends and family told me that this is not going to work for you. And why are we wasting time here? You know, we did our engineering, we used to work, and why we do this? And a lot of people thought that we are selling soap. And you know, we understood the potential of this business. We stayed in the game, and once we got into a stable level, and all of them became our fans right now. You know, all of them, you know, they comment and they give likes in Insta and Facebook right now, and they all love our business, and most of them are product users.
So when building this business, I come across two type of women. One is a typical homemaker who always is looking for a platform outside of the four walls of the circle. And also we come across women who are highly paid professionals, but still back of the mind they always want to spend quality time with their family and kids, especially before they even grow up. Both these women definitely love to take up the Amway opportunity, and Amway gives them a choice to still do whatever they are doing and parallelly build a successful profession out of Amway.
The real dream, the real vision for us to impact lot of youngsters. You know, unemployment is the biggest issue in this part of the world, and we want to give them opportunity. In fact, in this lockdown period, we help lot of youngsters to make their first income through our business. And one more thing is, tier 1, any profession, any business or any profession, if you take tier 1, tier 2, if you compare tier 1 people, tier 2, tier 3, tier 4, the income varies. But in our business, the income is same in all the places. The Founders Platinum in tier 4 will make the same income as the Founders Platinum in tier 1. That's another important aspect. So youngsters can stay in their own place and can build a huge business with Amway.
So we have this downline of ours. So his only motivation in life was to bring his mom back home. She works as a housemaid. So he always keeps telling that I don't want my mom to clean vessels in someone else's home. So that was his only motivation in life. When we were just discussing about this, his dad met with an accident, and a few days later he also lost his job due to the pandemic. So this was really a stressful situation for the whole family, and literally he was looking for money to support his family, and that's when he made a strong decision to build the Amway business. And today he is in a good successful level in the business, and his mom is back home, which is one of his big time achievements of life, is what he feels about it. And his dad has also been treated or taken care well because of the opportunity. So these moments are truly priceless for us, wherein we are able to support a family due to the Amway opportunity.
Hey, hi, this is Sai Prasad here. So I started this business when I was a college student, and now I am into the bronze level into the business, earning somewhere around some 50,000 rupees as a part-time income without disturbing existing profile. And big thanks to Satish and Akila for taking me as a consideration in their team.
Yeah, hi, this is Magesh here. I'm a brand new platinum in the business, sponsored by Satish and Akila. The way they build the business, we have seen them, time freedom, financial freedom, and moreover, they are our mentors and coach. Okay, that is the way they impacted us. The only reason we are building the business, we have to inspire people.
Youngsters nowadays, they spend a lot of time on social media, and they consumed by social media. And in our business, we can consume social media, and we can help. All they need is a phone and a passion. They need to have a passion to come up in life, and they need to have a purpose. The products, plan, everything is given from Amway. The whole world is moving towards community building. So every magazine, front cover of the magazine discuss about beauty or health. Immunity is a new thing. Immunity is a new normal. Everybody discuss about immunity, health. Lot of people discuss about beauty. Cooking is a huge community. Fitness is a huge community. Recently I was there in a riders club. Riding is a big community. Young mom, that's a huge community.
So we in fact have community for fitness freaks, and we do have workout sessions happening early in the morning, and we have a great time. People just love to do that. Most of the moms joined with their kids as well. So that gives us an opportunity to bind with each other, as well build a huge business. And Amway also has a lot of forums to get into category sales, which is really encouraging us to build more communities.
I love traveling the world, and one goal is to finish 50 countries in next 5 years time. Damn sure I'm going to do that, and I've done through our business. I've done almost 13-14 countries till now, length and breadth of India.
Our daughter visits her grandparents whenever they want or whenever she wants to. We get to plan a lot of trips together. We have created beautiful memories for us, for our parents, and for our daughter.
Thanks to Amway India, Amway Global, and Rich and Jay for creating this business model. For it's uncommon business for common people like us. So we happen to get everything from this opportunity. The holistic approach, holistic growth we got from this opportunity, the balanced life we got from this business. So I'm extremely thankful for this opportunity. Thank you, Amway.
Thank you, Amway.